Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are visiting the Carpet Museum of Iran. This magnificent art gallery has about 150 precious carpets, which are truly the best versions of Persian carpet. Each and every one of them are unique in their own way. This museum was opened in 1978 in Tehran and has been one of the most important cultural museums in the whole country. It's worth mentioning that this project was executed by the order of the last Queen of Iran, Shahbanu Farah Pahlavi, exactly 1 year before the revolution in 1979. She opened many museums, parks, and generally places for cultural events. Therefore, she has been having a key role in the social formation and growth for most Iranians. To be honest, it was simply impossible to record all of these masterpiece carpets in details. And also, it was my first time visiting this museum. And as you can tell, I was too excited to see all of them one by one. So pardon me if the recording quality is just not good enough. Oh my god, these carpets are so beautiful. This is what Persian carpet means. Persian rugs and carpets, they're amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Pazyryk carpet, the oldest known knotted carpet in the world. Of course, this one is a high quality copy of that. The original carpet is in the Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg in Russia. The carpet is approximately 2,500 years old and was knotted in 500 BC under the Persian influence or directly by them, since it has Persian symbols similar to the ones in the Persepolis. The reason it's remarkably well preserved is thanks to being frozen in permafrost for over 2 millennia. It was found in Pazyryk Valley in Altai mountains of Siberia. This is the Persepolis design. It resembles arts and structure of the Persepolis. This is the gate of all nations. I'm really overwhelmed by the beauty of all these carpets. All of them are unique. Thank you so much, former Queen of Iran, Shahbanu Farah. This place was built by her request and order. She gathered all these carpets here before the Iranian Revolution. Oh my God, look at this one. It's like heaven. Oh my God, this one is so beautiful. Look. Lots of details. This one on the top in a red dress is Jesus. He's called Isa in Persian, or Messiah. They are Romans, I believe. The rest of them are Romans. Oh my god, look at this one. It's so cute. This is Hafez Shirazi. This is Rumi or Molavi. He is Ferdowsi. And this one here is Sadi Shirazi. Four great Persian poets. I love this place so much. I wish I had visited here sooner. Oh my god, look at this one. Jesus. This is one of the most beautiful ones so far. Oh my god. It's complicated. So much details.